March 19, 1972 is recorded as Sinag-Tala's date. In 2010, Ian returns to choreograph a 2-hour of Conception. Mandy De Leon, a former dancer with Bayanihan, which is the Philippine National Folk Dance Company, was Sinag-Tala's founding artistic dance director and choreographer. Together with 3 other members of the association, Claire Ick, Dr. Lillian Pardo, and Shirley G. Sulit, they provided the backbone to start the troupe in its early years. He disciplined and molded the young dance company as cultural ambassadors. Sinag-Tala was a showcase of the Filipino culture as we presented dance, cultural festivals, and fashion shows in the Kansas City area and beyond. Fiesta Filipina was held at Crown Center Square for 4 years in the years 1975 to 1978. Festival Asia was held for 2 years in the years 1979 to 1980. Dance concerts were performed on our own in the years 1973, 1974, 1976, and 1981. And in conjunction with the Missouri Dance Company were the highlights during the first decade. As we moved through the years, different dance directors carried on, including Gemma Alemania Snyder, Alcy Malcolmus, and Lito Belulia, after Mr. De Leon relocated to another state. The continued dedication of Shirley G. Sulit as our wardrobe director from its inception to the present is a tiring but satisfying job, as the show can't go on without the colorful and historic costumes we have accumulated through the years. In 1977, Dr. Mila Tiohanco organized and recruited second-generation Filipino Americans, children as young as 6 years old up to age 13, to form our junior division dance troupe, the Filipinettes. With cuteness, they entertained crowds just as well as the older dancers. As these kids grew up, they subsequently assumed key positions in the dance troupe and the association. Filipinettes grow up to become leaders. In 2005, Michael Hicks, a former Filipinette, led the dancers in the Larawan concert at the historic Folly Theater. 2007's concert, Historia, the theme and the repertoire, was developed by another former Filipinette, Julian or Ian Rivera. Community College entitled Alamat, a dance journey into Philippine folklore, concert held at the Yardley Hall of Johnson County Community College. On the 40th anniversary of the troupe, in 2012, Ian once again created a fantastic repertoire with many historical references to facets of our culture. Hayas, meaning jewels, representing the glimmering facets of Philippine culture. In 2018, the Filipino Association celebrated their 50th, or golden anniversary, year as an organization. Sinag-Tala honored the association with a concert called Ginton Ala Ala, or Golden Memories, held at the Johnson County Heritage Center and Museum with a matinee and evening performances. Another feather in our cap with this concert, the Sampaguita Choir and the Rondalla, the other 2 arms of the Sinag-Tala troupe, provided song and accompaniment for the event. The years 2020 and 2021 were memorable for the United States and the world as we got hit by the COVID-19 pandemic. The Sinag-Tala went into hiatus as part of the mandate to avoid personal contact and prevented spread of the virus. We missed our practices, our performances, and other social events in which our troupe is usually the featured entertainment. 2022 is our 50th year as a performing arts troupe, representing the Filipino Association as its cultural arm. We are the face of all Filipinos and Filipino Americans in the greater Kansas City area. We are proud to be recognized as one of the longest established ethnic folk dance troupe in Kansas City. We are proud of our performance at the Kaufman Center for the Performing Arts as we presented the Muslim-inspired elegant dance suite, Singkil, or the Princess Dance. We have been part of the Ethnic Enrichment Festival entertainment since its inception for the past 46 years. Mabuhay!